X7 it's your boy Lee Music, back with another amazing banger. Yes, guys, I'm so happy. So happy, guys. We almost at 1K subscribers. And I know I don't usually give off this type of energy, but I'm hyped, guys. Just subscribe, guys. Let's get us to 1K subs so that I can release my drum kit. I'm almost done. I'm not going to show you all because it's a surprise. It has all genres. It has all genres. Every pack you can think of. Ngwari, Mozambique, everything. Monate. So yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and help your boy out. Let's get to 1K subscribers. Oh, I almost choked. But yeah, let's get to 1K subscribers, guys, before the 10th of August, guys. Please. So yeah, from the request of my second last video, somebody requested that I should make some classic Amapiano. If you don't know who's Amu classic, is part of the Simnandi records, which is held by DJ Giovanni. So yeah, I'm going for that type of vibe today. So yeah, I laid down some chords and like it took a while, but like it's the same thing. I just played with the notes and stuff. Like it's literally the same thing. Even this, I just transpose like my root note and stuff, but other than that, as you can see, it's the same thing throughout. Like, yeah. So yeah, it sounds like this. Wait, yes. Yeah, it's nice, but let's work on it. And like I lay down a simple like drum loop, which I don't like. I'm gonna change soon, and it sounds like this. Yeah, this is trash. But the only reason I use this drum loop is to get a reference, so that I can lay down my chords. So I'm gonna find a drum loop because they usually use deep house loops. So yeah, let me lay down my kick. I'm gonna add a trombone signal. Yeah, something like this. So what I'm gonna do now is add another um sound for my chords so that I can add a bass that will move it, you know. So I'm gonna use the one from Poly 6. I'm gonna add I'm gonna add more sounds to make it more interesting and like give it more energy. Wait, I think I have the wrong tune here. an idea. I do have the wrong tune, but what I'm going to do now, it's copy this, open up an assembler. Let's add another shaker. Yeah, guys, that'll be the end of this video. Um, yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please help your boy out. Subscribe to the video so that we can grow, so that I can keep on getting like I can be motivated to make more and more content. So yeah, thank you for watching the video till the end. If you did, yeah, comment down below suggestions, because even this video was a suggestion. Like I wouldn't make like this type of Amapiano. It's not my style. But yeah, here's it. I made it and I kind of vibe with it. Like it's nice, soulful, Simnandi record vibes. Giovanni. Yep. So yeah, guys. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, enjoy. Bow.